This video going to show you the different button usage in Autotrack supplier page. First is select all, second is unselect all, third is preview, print, and then select print. This is the 5 buttons I'm going to explain to you now. Select all for you to use to select all the records in order to do printing in a bulk. For example, after you click the select all, so it's highlight all, click unselect, you unselect all. Okay, again, select all. You click the preview buttons. The system basically will show you page 1, page 4, page 3, different name. Okay, then you can actually print out a sticker for this supplier in a shop, in a bulk. The print basically is a button whereby once you click, the label will directly printed from the printer connected to the server. And then select print is just in case you have more than one label design for this supplier. I'll go through the label design in another video. So